How to add custom product page in Shopify store. So before we start, make sure to check out the best hosting services. They are recommended by experts with years of experience. To choose your one, click the links in the description below. So let's get started. So the first method is we need to head over to the products and go to the collection. Once you are in collection, tap on this create collection and name it a title. Let's say featured product or something that can stand out on your website. So let me do it really quickly. So once you are done, you can also add a new description if you want to. Otherwise, you need to make sure to add a new image. So for me, I am using the same product that I want to promote or have a second separate page. So once you have added your picture, you just need to tap on the save on the top right corner. Once you do so, you just need to select your product now, which is in my case this t-shirt as an example, and this is by the way in manual mode. If you have automatic, make sure to check out the manual mode. Once you are done, you just need to save the changes, and the next step is we need to head over to the online store and go for this pages. Once you are in pages, you just need to tap on add page on the top right corner and name it same as featured product. Once you are done, you just need to save this. The next step is we have to head over to the navigation section, and then we need to tap on the main menu. Once you tap on this, you just need to tap on this add menu item and search for featured product or name it featured product. Once you are done, go with the pages and then you need to select featured product and tap on add. Once you are done, the next step is head over to the theme section. Once you are in, you just need to scroll down until you see customize and tap on this. Once you do so, you just need to see this feature product that has been added. So I have accidentally added two, so you have to make sure to only add one at a time. So if I tap on this featured product one time, as you can see, this is now showing me the main product page where you need to simply tap on this add a section and select feature product. So once you have added that, tap on this select product and select your particular product and tap on this select. Once you do so, you just need to scroll down and change your color scheme according to your store theme. Once you do so, you just need to tap on save on the top right corner and you're good to go. So for some reason my internet is causing this trouble and I cannot proceed further in the product section. So that was the basics of how you can add custom product page on Shopify store.